back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is all about advancing your Python skills. So Python skills improve best with practice and problem solving. So today we are going to boost your Python skills with some examples. And these examples will cover loops, list, string, dictionaries and basic maths, which is perfect to practice daily and improve your Python skills. So let's start this. So we'll start with the first one. So the first one is count word frequency. So for this we'll take a sentence. So this is the sentence we took, which we'll find the frequency of this. Now we'll split the sentence. So here we'll also split the sentence into words, and now using the for loop we'll find the frequency of it. And at last we'll print the word frequency. So here dictionary.get, this helps simplify the counting, and this counts the frequency using dictionary. So let's see what output does it gives. So here you can see the output, the word frequency. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is find even numbers in a list. So for this we'll take a list first. So here we have taken a list of numbers, and now we'll write to find the even numbers. So this will print the list of even numbers in the present list. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is reverse a string. So for reversing a string, firstly we'll take a string. So this is the string, we will reverse it. So here we are using the indexing method. So this will print the reversed text. And now we'll see the reversed output. So here we can see the output. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is Fibonacci series. So we'll find the Fibonacci series of first 5 numbers. So this will print the Fibonacci series. And now let's see the output of this. So here we can see the Fibonacci series of first 5 numbers. So this loops generate first 5 numbers of Fibonacci sequence. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is check prime number. So for this, firstly let's take a number for which we will check that is it a prime number or not. So here we'll find the prime number and we'll print it. So this will print the prime number using a F string, and now we'll see the output. And here all method checks divisibility to determine if the number is prime or not. So here we can see the output of this, that 7 is a prime number, which is true. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is remove duplicates from the list. So for that, firstly let's create a list. So here we have created a list. So to make it unique, we'll convert the list into set, and then we'll print it. And now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the converted list, which we converted into set to make it unique. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is merge two dictionaries. So for this, firstly we'll create two dictionaries. So here we have created two dictionaries, and now we'll merge them. So this will merge the dictionaries, and then we'll print the merged dictionary. So here these two asterisks, these are unpacking, and these merge dictionaries values in the second dictionary and override the first one. So here we'll see the output of this. So let's see its output. So here we can see the merged dictionaries. So these were some simple cover fundamentals of Python which uses loop, string, list, dictionaries and maths. So practicing all exercises like these daily will sharpen your coding skill and prepare you for bigger projects. So try modifying these examples or combining them to create your own mini projects. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.